So hi guys, welcome back to the second part of NEET discussion with the topper Sriniti. So if you haven't watched the first part, the link will be here, so you can watch from there. And this video is gonna continuously start from the end of the first part. So make sure you have watched the first part. So let's start. So talking about preparation, all of these students have a question like some chapters are difficult, some are easy. So how much question should a student do from each chapter for at least on a minimum
Yeah,
basis?
yeah. As I told, it doesn't matter how many questions you solve. Like, it depends on you. Everyone has different requirements. Everyone finds a chapter difficult. One other might find that chapter easy. So it depends on you. And one more thing is, it doesn't matter if you solve 100 questions or 1,000 questions. If you don't get a problem, if you didn't solve a problem, like a quality problem, like if you are solving a simpler problem, and if you are solving the same type of problem repeatedly, it doesn't matter how many problem you solve. It has to be
Okay.
like conceptual based problem, and and what and what is it? What else?
The numerical, right?
Yeah. I think it has to be more of conceptual problem, and you have to solve. You have to like focus on last year problems. So you will get an idea about what type of question is coming from the chapter, and you will get familiar with them.
Okay. So how was your procedure to revise portions? Like, was it to learn those theories or do some questions? How was your procedure?
To go through my notes, I used to do notes, okay,
Okay.
and
So
then
tell
I
me
used
about
to
the
go
notes.
through. Okay, yeah. Can I get my notes now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Where is it? Yeah. Okay, let's say this is my organic chemistry notes. If you can see this.
Wow. Yeah, can you take it a bit friend? Yeah, now it's clear, right? Okay.
Yeah, this is my organic chemistry notes. So I used to go through the concept once, and after clearing my concept, I
Okay.
will I will do the problem, like previous year problem from that chapter. So I will
So
get familiar with the
were
problem from that
were
chapter.
they short notes or like what? How you used to write those things? Like what were you including in those?
I think what was not in the NCERT textbook. The points which was not present in NCERT textbook, I used to write them here. Important
Okay.
points.
So
And I used to
how did you get those points? Like from where did you get those points? Like the points not mentioned in NCERT.
I used to watch several videos from like a YouTube
Any good
for
suggestion?
organic chemistry. Yeah, for organic chemistry, I used to watch Sachin Rana. He is
Sachin
an
Rana.
IIT
Yeah.
Bombay student. Yeah,
Yeah.
he teaches well in organic chemistry. Yeah, I used to love his teaching. Yeah,
Okay. So any other suggestions?
yeah, and while reading textbook, wait, yeah, yeah, while reading textbook, if you like, you can make highlight like this. If you can
Okay,
see,
using the highlighter. Okay.
yeah, highlight, and if you find something interesting, you can write here. I don't know if this is
Oh man,
convenient
you
for
are
you.
putting so much effort. Thank you, man. Student, this will be
This is
helpful.
it.
Yeah, we can see. Yeah. Right, we can see. Yes.
Yeah.
The
Like
thing
if you
about
find something interesting, yeah.
yeah, the thing about highlighting is highlight only the important things. Otherwise, by then the whole textbook will be highlighted. So
Yeah,
that
I
should
used
be
to say my friend, like
yeah.
it will be like painting if you keep on highlighting each and every line.
I used to do
It
that in the
seems
eighth
each and every
standard and
line,
all. Yeah, we have to understand what we have to prioritize
yeah.
things.
It seems each and every line is
Yeah,
important,
yeah,
but you have to focus on highly important things. Yeah.
yeah.
And if you find something you are forgetting constantly, you can write it on the corner of the textbook. Like here, there is so many space
Yeah.
so that you won't forget.
Okay. Yeah, we can see. This one is a general question. Like, any tips for specifically for each subject, like biochem and physics? Any specific advice for each?
Yeah, for biology, as I told, you have to stick to the NCERT and be thorough with it. If you have concepts other than NCERT, it is good, but focus more on NCERT concepts. It will help you more.
Okay.
and stick to the NCERT. Be thorough with it. For chemistry, coming to organic and inorganic, you have to stick to the NCERT. That's the same for NEET in each subject. In inorganic, stick to the NCERT and be thorough with each and every reaction. And use some logic and imagination while understanding inorganic chemistry. It will be helpful for remembering each and every reaction. And
Okay.
for organic chemistry, focus on named reaction and named reagent. The question will be asked most frequently from these named reaction and named reagent. And for physical chemistry and physics, you have to solve as many problems as you can and practice as much as you can. I think that's it for particular subject.
Yeah, sure. So the last question, right? The question is like, what are the do's and don'ts on the exam day? Like, I find this really important. Like, I think that's the important day of the 2 years. So what are the do's and don'ts on a neat exam day, from the time you wake up till the time you stop the exam?
Yeah, I suggest not to read on the day of exam.
Okay.
Like, be fresh-minded. Don't be stressed. Like, exam, I know that exam will be in the afternoon. You have whole half day for you to read, but don't go after reading. If you like, start reading on the day of on that day, you'll find, oh, I have to read this, I have to read
Yeah,
that. You will become more stressed by that, and you will feel like you have forgot each and every point. And it doesn't happen like that. You have to be calm and have belief in yourself. And in the examination hall, don't get afraid by others seeing what others are doing. Like, we will get stressed by doing, others will be like writing fastly, or others will be like taking sheets and all. So don't be afraid from others. Be focused on yourself and your paper, and have hope on yourself.
did you
That's
have
it.
any exam experience, like something happened in between the
Yeah,
exam?
yeah, yeah,
So tell us about
yeah.
that.
I have one. It was biology. As we all know, biology is easier subject in NEET. So as I hope the same. But in my paper, the questions in the beginning were very difficult. Okay, I was like shocked. Like, biology has supposed to be easier one, and it's becoming difficult. In the first 10 questions was very difficult, and those were the difficult in the difficult category.
Okay.
So what I did, so I started doing the questions from the back side. So
Okay.
for the change of perspective, and I can solve the question easily. So what I want to say is, if you are stuck in a particular question, or like if you are stuck in few questions, skip that question and try other questions. You will find them easier. If you are like, if you are focusing more on that question only, you will lose time and you will become scared.
Yeah, so this thing should be taken serious. Like, even after hearing this for two, three times, nobody follows this thing. But make sure that you don't get stuck in question. Like, it will cost a lot of time. So I
Yeah,
guess,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, I guess that were the questions. So we are about to end. So Srinidhi, do you have anything to say, like last words to the students who are going to write?
Yeah, that's it. Have belief in yourself, and you can do it. It doesn't matter how much you have read, you can do it. Have that belief. If you have that belief, you will get a positive feeling that you can do it, and you will do it that in that exam.
Okay.
Just
So
have belief in yourself.
okay, so I guess that was that was for the video. So thanks a lot for collaborating with me. So yeah, by then, like if you have watched till this, let me tell you, if you are going to write NEET and you need more advice or more tips or more points on specific things on what to do and how to study, Srinidhi himself has a channel. I will give the link to the link of the channel in the description, also in the end screen. So watch till then. You can go to his channel. There are a lot of videos that will be of great help for you. So I hope you will visit his channel and do subscribe him. He will be releasing a lot of content as only 30 days are left for the NEET. So all the best from my side also. So till then, bye.